First quiz, I asked you to make a truth table here for this proposition expression. It was a little bit long, but I hope that was okay. There are three variables, propositional variables, so we're going to have 8 rows, right? So if P, Q, and R, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. So we have to break this down into its components, right? And, well, the first component that we see here is this one. So we have to calculate this one first. So, okay, I'll do this in green here, Q, then P. Now, that is a conditional, and we know that this is false if the first is true and the second is false. So we're looking for a 1 in the Q column and a 0 in the P column. Okay, so these are the two instances where this happens, right? Here we have this, what I just said, and here. So these are the only cases that this conditional is false. So this we have 0 and 0 here, right? Okay, and then all the others are 1. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, what if we have two parts here? We can look at this one first. We need to do something here, not of R. We need not R. Now that's easy, that is just switching the digits. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. And then the next part, I'll do them all in a bit different colors that you can follow, is, well, we want to do this, but for that we actually need first not Q. Let me do that in red too. So this not Q here. So again, switching the digits, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, of course I'm talking about this column here, that we switch the digits. Okay, so now I can do the purple guy, right? So it's P or not Q. So P or not Q. So that is an OR, and we know that the only case that this is false if we have zeros in both. So what we're looking for is a 0 in the P column as well as in the not Q column. This is this column, okay? So we see that this is exactly happening at these two spots, okay? You know, there are a lot of columns, so you have to really make sure that you always look in the right column, okay? Good, so what you get here, so where was it? Okay, so now I lost my thing. P, or not Q, it's just these two, right? Okay, these two, okay. When I point, I don't have a writer, so it's a bit annoying. Okay, so this is ones. Okay, so what is the next component? That is this whole guy, right? Now we have to combine this in an AND. So we're talking about, sorry, this column and this column. And what we're looking for in an AND is where both are true, because then the AND will be true. Okay, so we're looking for ones in both, and this is here, for instance. So let me indicate this, otherwise I'm going to lose this. 1 here. So sorry, this is the not R and P or not Q. Okay, so that was that. Oh, oops. And then, so we're looking for a 1 in both, and the columns that we're talking about is this and this. Okay, I see another one here, so let me write that up. Oops, where was it? Here, right? And then I think not this and not this, and here the last one also. And the rest is zeros. And now we're ready to do the actual final thing, because this one, the whole thing here, is now an OR. So I'm not going to rewrite it, write it here, I just plug it in here. Is an OR, but please label your columns at least with the smaller parts, right? That I can see what you're actually calculating. So what is this? Well, we have an OR. That means for the green and the orange columns, so this is my green column and my orange columns, I'm looking for zeros in both, because then the OR will be false. Okay, so I'm looking in zeros in this one as well as this one. Now there's only 2 that I've looked for, and that corresponds exactly to 2 zeros here. So in this case we're going to have zeros. These 2 are zeros, and therefore all the rest is 1. Okay, that's the solution.